The term writer's workshop simply describes how to organize your writing block or class period. It's a management system that comprises 3 components, and each has a different purpose. First, every writer's workshop begins with whole class instruction. This is where the teacher targets a key skill and delivers it in a 4-step lesson. This is commonly referred to as a mini lesson because it's short in time and narrow in focus. The teacher will spend 10 to 15 minutes defining a skill, modeling that skill, and then guiding students to try that skill. Now, this whole class lesson is essential. This is where explicit instruction happens. However, students don't get better just watching and listening to the teacher. They need a chance to try the skill in their own writing. So, at some point, the teacher has to stop talking and transition into the workshop. Just as the word workshop implies, this is the second part of Writer's Workshop where students will craft, create, build, fix, or repair their own writing while attempting to implement that new skill. If the lesson focused on I do, where the teacher modeled the skill, and we do, where the kids had a chance to just kind of play with the skill with their peers, then the writing time, that is the you do. While students are attempting the skill during this independent writing time, the teacher is conferring with writers. This may include answering specific student questions or meeting with groups to check in on their progress. The whole goal of this independent writing time that follows the mini lesson is for the teacher to support students as they attempt this skill in their own pieces. Transition from the workshop writing time into a share time. That's the third component of the writer's workshop, what some call an author's chair. Not only is this a great way to celebrate writing that was generated in today's writing time, but it also brings an intentional close to the entire writer's workshop.